Well, we are breaking these visuals of Rahul Gandhi's meeting with Lalu Prasad Yadav. Remember, he's not keeping well. He's admitted in AIIMS, and these are the visuals of Rahul Gandhi's meeting with Lalu Prasad Yadav. In fact, Anuj is going to join us on this. What was discussed? Was it a courtesy call by Rahul Gandhi, or there is some more politics behind it? Remember, Lalu has been languishing in jail for quite some time in the fodder scam, and now Rahul Gandhi goes all the way to All India Institute of Medical Sciences to meet Lalu Prasad Yadav. Pictures of Rahul and Lalu meet breaking first on Republic TV. Congress President Rahul Gandhi meeting Lalu Prasad Yadav. A routine courtesy call, or in fact much more to it. Yes, Anuj is now on phone. Anuj, what really transpired between the two? Was it just a routine courtesy call, or there was an agenda?
Well, yes, exactly. This is called simple and political agenda, because obviously whosoever is anti-Modi, whosoever is against the BJP, is friend with the Congress. This is the line taken by the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi. So this is clearly to be an opportunist and to grab this opportunity. This is Rahul Gandhi who met with Lalu Prasad Yadav in the AIIMS, and that is why this is coming in. This is just to improve the relation and give the future opportunity for the future.
But also it cannot be denied that it's the same Lalu Prasad Yadav who's been convicted in fodder scam, and you have Rahul Gandhi taking out time, meeting him, and in the backdrop of the Third Front Alliance, if you remember, against Prime Minister Modi. Do you think this is really going to gain any traction, this meeting? How long did it last?
Well, this meeting exactly lasts for around 15 to 20 minutes. And yes, this is also true, as you pointed it out very rightly, that Lalu Prasad Yadav is already convicted in a number of cases in the fodder scam. So, yes, what exactly could be said, that this is just to set an agenda for the upcoming things. And Rahul Gandhi can be called an opportunist only at this point in time.
Anuj, give us more details about this meeting as we are beaming these visuals first on Republic TV. Lalu Prasad, in fact, is admitted in AIIMS. And are we expecting more such meetings between the two, or perhaps between the members of the two parties that we are talking about? Because is Lalu going to stay in AIIMS for a few more days?
Well, what has been told at this point in time, that Lalu is not well at this point in time. We know that he is admitted in the AIIMS, and it was Rahul Gandhi who went there to meet him. This was said to be a secret meeting, because this was not in media. This was not in the protocol also. Nobody was aware of this particular meeting. So Rahul Gandhi, as we say that is an opportunist and trying to set an agenda for the upcoming things. Yes.
All right, many thanks, Anuj, for breaking those visuals first on Republic TV. Anuj telling us that this meeting reportedly was in fact kept secret. It was not officially lined up. Rahul Gandhi calling on Lalu Yadav, who's admitted in AIIMS. We're going to keep a track on that as well, but now let's move on to the other big stories.